Hi, we're back in Laura's flat. Dave just arrived for the weekend. Paul's still in Bhutan. And we just wanted to show you, this is a follow-up from the feeding episode. Okay, Laura now has oats. Ready?
Follow-up.
Look at that. Oh, that little boy. In just this week, I think it's because Baba's here and told him it was time to eat his cereal. Much nicer. Maybe it's the cereal, not the carrots, huh? All right, we've had a wonderful week. Dave and I are going back to Wisconsin soon, and Paul's coming home. But this was very fun to explore Andersonville, Chicago, Illinois. Bye, Laura.